The management of the St. Anne's Bay Hospital says it expects support from international medical experts to ease the burden at the facility in the coming days. The hospital has been operating above capacity since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Anthony Lugg has details.
In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa's destruction, the St. Anne's Bay Hospital has found itself on the front line, not only caring for its usual patients, but also taking in dozens transferred from other hospitals across the island. With some facilities shut down and others operating at reduced capacity due to storm damage, the hospital's administration has been forced to rapidly expand its operations to meet the growing demand. Dennis Morgan is the Chief Executive Officer.
On a daily basis, we are seeing transfer in terms of our collaboration and working, communication directly with our facility. For Falmouth, for instance, we are seeing between 5 and 6 coming in from the hospital. However, there are persons who would live in those areas. So rather than saying, if you live in Trelawney, go to Falmouth, you'll come straight to St. Anne's Bay. And we are actually in the process of tallying that number up since hurricane. And I would tell you, it's a sizable number.
But the challenge has not come without setbacks. The hospital itself sustained damage during the hurricane. At least 2 areas were affected, leading to the relocation of several patients and other services.
There's our overflow ward. That's about a 20-bed, 25-bed ward. So just imagine not having bed space for 25 persons, but we have to find places to put them in the hospital. Our dietary department sustained significant damage, is actually out of circulation. However, the good news is that our resilient staff have been able to prepare meals, 3 meals a day for our patients.
Amid the challenges, there's a silver lining. The hospital is expected to receive international support from specialists who arrived in the island this week. Mr. Morgan provided details.
There's about 15 earmarked, and these are doctors and nurses, earmarked to come to St. Anne's Bay between today and tomorrow. And so they will lend support. They're not providing the lead. Our facility, our personnel here at the facility are still going to be the lead healthcare professionals doing services, but these foreign nationals that are coming are providing support and to some extent relief to some of our staff who have been here since post hurricane, during the hurricane, and are still here.
He insists, despite the damage and the increased pressure, the staff remain committed to delivering care for all in need, and says, even in crisis, the spirit of service remains unbroken. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.